hariom. The Sri Ganeshaya Nama, Sri Gurubhyo Nama, hariom. The topic intended to be unfolded is the awareness and what it is aware of it and the contrast. As we know, there are broadly two domains. One is I am, aham, I am, and idam. Idam means what all is pursued by the cognized by aham. So evidently, aham has got endowed with knowledge, and idam is known, means it has no knowledge, and the attributes of both are complementary. Now this I am awareness. Now I am awareness. Aware is correct, or awareness as me is correct. Now thing is, we express if we express as I am, but I am implies knowledge. But this knowledge is directly revealing as I am. Then I am is wielding knowledge, but the I am, which is dissociated with the knowledge, that is the problem. And in that case, it is projecting an existence on its own. That knowledge is existence without boundaries. Existence is knowledge, knowledge is existence. That which is all pervading, that is knowledge. Knowledge means all pervading. But something has got knowledge, knowledge exists. But for existence, there is the reference point, the pramana, what we say. Pramana is credibility, is knowledge. Yes, it has to. Both are interlinked. Now, the I am, which is immediate expression of the awareness or knowledge, now it is separated. It is separated and it is projecting an existence unto itself. This state, here, this part of thing is revealing as I am. I am aham asmi, actually, in a correct way. I means an individual is expressing about his existence. I am. I am means knowledge, but its existence, this is a projected, superimposed second existence. Existence is one without second, and this existence is a non-existent second entity. So that is where is one is, and it is given the analogy of a snake and rope, but that is having one limitation. In the snake and rope example, the non-existent thing, which is vikshepa, which is superimposed on the rope, to that extent it would suffice. The contrast comparison holds good, but the snake has not imported the attribute of the rope. But here, this I am, aham asmi, what we are telling, I am existing. Actually, existence as I am is okay. Existence is knowledge, knowledge is existence. But this existence, this I am, is actually contending an entity on its own. And this existence is what is akshepana. It is not there, but still it has inherited that awareness, because everybody says, I know, I have knowledge, my knowledge, I am existing. These three are avidya, means absence of this is a vikshepa, avarana, will and projection. Now, at this stage, in the presence of knowledge, the actions, what not happen, the cognition, all these are linked to awareness. This awareness in the presence, like electricity present, rest all equipments starts manifesting. Similar way, in the presence of knowledge, the sense organs work, the action organs work, the mind also starts manifesting its thoughts, and every event happen. But this I am existing is invoking is a self-assumed role of doer. I am seer. Whenever I am feeler, I am thinker. That kind of a state it has usurped upon itself, and the downstream end after the deed, that means whichever is deed, feelings, pursued entities, feelings and emotions, which it is, and there it is invoking the role of knower. Till then, all that known as the starting, it is idam. Idam means all that is known. It is subject to change. It is many. It is mortal. It is. It has no awareness, and that which is pursued by the awareness. So, in that idam domain comes body, prana, mind, emotions, all those thoughts, and all the pursued entities. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Means which five element, five our sense organs, what all is pursued. So now, till here, a person is free of thing. But now, thing is, the knower who is aware of the known, now thinks he is known. Known, not that. Known is mine, also then he is freed. But now issue is he is infatuated. Now example we start with body. It is known, but body has temperature. I have temperature. Body is hungry. I am running fever. And body is born so and so date. I am born so and so date. Body would succumb. Body is mortal. I am mortal. This extends to prana. My prana is my prana is more. My prana is restless. It is. I am not able to. I am not able to regulate it. My prana is going out of the way, and the most thing has been the state of the mind which is known, then the stress, what all the patterns of emotions, these are conditioning with our identification, they are treated. I am under stress, I am with intellect, I am unable to decide, and all these things. Now I am crying, I am feeling pity, I am feeling I hate. Actually, hate is one of the pattern of the mind, but I hate. Now, yeah, like that, all you list out, what out, all sort of impressions of the mind, which are known, they are treated as his, not his, his bhava. That is what is bhava grahi. We are not cognizant of the bhavas. We are bhava bandha. We are attached, identified. This is what is anatmani ahamiti. Anatma means idam, which has no knowledge. Atma means which has knowledge. Atma, Atma means knowledge, aham. Anatma means idam. And what is bandha, attachment? Anatmani ahamiti mati. Means I am verily the idam, the anatma, the known domain, which is impracticable. But this is what is seen on the field. Everybody, what all is happening to the body, mind, intellect, material is treated as he, not his. See, When it is, suppose when I say my book, I can get rid of the book, but I am becoming book. I am identifying with the book. This identification, and because and all those attributes of the idam are treated as me, and they are not acceptable, and now he has no choice to be under their spell, and that is bringing unrest, agony, and and the and this is what is happening in a way in the dream also. There is a light, play of light, but from light there is a projection, an entity, knower, and then there is the very derivatives of the light. They are dream object, dream feelings, and all, and they are separated from the light. Now there are two entities surfacing, imposters. One is from the light, an entity, knower or thing, and an entity, and light derivatives as entities other than diverse from the light. Now these two, the samyoga of these two is experiencer, and the evidently we are dream, we are subject to the spell, conditioning, of which we are helpless. But the fact of dream is revealed when we wake up. In the wake up state, context, everything it was light and play of light, and it is within me, nothing outside, it is only projection. Now, same thing analogy one to one holds good with reference to wake state. Out of that awareness, the I am non existent, the imposter I am has surfaced, and these derivatives, formations of the awareness or the power, actually its formations are which are known to it, they are treated as its own, not it is possessor, its own. Now that is conditioning the being in the wake state, like one is conditioned in the dream, and now the sole remedy for the dream has been to wake up, and now the waker issues, one has to transcend to the state of higher awareness, that is fourth state or turiya. That is nothing but it is not a separate state. With viveka, discrimination, we are trying to logic apply our rational change. The idam is change known, and knower, and how can I be the becomer of the known? I am other than the known, then only the knowing process happens. With this awareness, one again separates, and the knower, for knower knowledge is the base, and knower, but the I am and knowledge are again two things. They appear to be, there is a again clarity is called for. I am and my knowledge. Here, here it is a very sensitive issue. It has to be tackled. I have knowledge, my knowledge, I am existing. Here one analogy will resolve everything. We think I have sourced letters, I am. Now this ink is we have to only one thing, one limited, we have to think it is all pervading, and all pervading ink is there, and with reference to our individual embodiment, ink sourced two letters are there, and through these letters, do they have existence apart from the ink? No. Now this letters word, the letters I am, three letters, now I am existing. Now existing ink as I am is truth, but I am existing. That means this word, this letters word has, it is imposing to be an entity. Now not only that, I am my ink, I am ink. This is further absurd. when ink is verily operating, directly revealing as inked words, and inked words and operating as an entity is one mistake. Inked words contending, I have ink, my ink. This is what is really taking place to understand the link between awareness and I am. Awareness is immediate expression is I am. I am implies awareness. That's what when somebody all of a sudden loses consciousness, we say he is unable to say I am. Now some first aid have given. Now he says I am. Oh, he gained consciousness. Now consciousness and I am, these two are synonyms. Now that well, from with that concept, then that is a journey from limited to unlimited, and consciousness is all pervading. It is one without second, non-dual, and it is formless. Its pervade form, it is beyond, like a space. And the I am also, it sheds its entity other than awareness. That is the state to be experienced. But first of all, with this awareness, it will be able to decouple, de-identify with idam, and it is relieved. Now, idam is the cause of all problems, because deep sleep, one is so happy, there is no idam, there is an experiencer, but he is unaware. But there are no body, mind, nothing, no domain, because mind is in the seed form. So that state, the fourth state, the turiya what was just focused, is nothing but a thoughtless awareness, a dream with awareness. That is the state, because the known domain idam, which is a reflection, byproduct of the, it is traced to its root, and the individual also traced to the root. It is oneness. So deep sleep with awareness is certainly, that is the state of that fourth state. It is possible only for human being who is already blessed with viveka. This journey is for which the viveka alone is the savior. It is only helps to contain the situation, and it is awareness. With this awareness, we are, that is the aim, objective, feasibility for a human birth. So that is, it is further to be taken up, because all else then it is limited at person's discontentment, all that is everybody's experience. Now the solution is with viveka, discrimination. We have to connect to that state, like from dream we exit, from wake, this plural, we have to exit to that state of awareness. Hariom.